Can it be now? Can it be?
I'd love to stay and talk, but this is just too cold.
Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the GLE MercBenzKing Edition, and yes, I have been in an accident. It has been a frontal hit. I flipped over in the air and rotated multiple times with the MercBenzKing Edition GLE, but it is no more, so in this video we will say a final goodbye. It looks like a coupe right now, but yes, I bought it as an SUV. So basically what happened is that GLE saved my life. I hit frontal into the rails, flipped over in the air, rotated multiple times. In this video I will basically show you the safety of the GLE. All the airbags were activated, even at the knees, and you can see the impact in the front. It was quite high. So the grille of course has been completely blown off. The impact was right here at the cooler, a little bit higher, and the shock dampers are actually located a little bit lower, and then you can see the impact was not that hard but just high, and that caused the car to flip over. You can see these parts are actually meant to catch the amount of power. It goes all the way to the chassis. This is completely bended. You all basically know that I made my own MercBenzKing Edition with a lot of carbon fiber exterior, complete interior. Now it is gone, but luckily I survived. This GLE, I mean, it is so a massive car, so much weight and high off the ground. It is really safe. I will show you a little bit more of the videos that we did creating the MercBenzKing Edition, and we will check out the interior of course.
I'd love to stay and talk, but this is just too complicated for me.
And yes, it drives so comfortable. This is now the complete final edition MercBenzKing vehicle. In this video I will show you the complete changes, the exterior, interior and all the new gadgets. In my hands I have the keys, and this is also changed. On the back side we have glossy carbon fiber with the SCHAWE emblem, because SCHAWE made it possible to have a fully customized MercBenzKing Edition vehicle. It has the MercBenzKing emblem on the C-pillar, which gives this prestige feeling, and you can already notice that the side step is indeed fully glossy carbon fiber. Panamericana grille in glossy carbon fiber, and these are actually the Hoffele 23-inch rims, which match perfectly on this black on black GLE. So let us first focus on the front, as we have a new grille but based on fully original AMG parts. So we have the Panamericana grille as we know it, but SCHAWE made it possible to have it in fully glossy carbon fiber. You of course notice the new rims that I mentioned of Hoffele with the upsilon shape, and of course a fully black side, which is very smooth up until the C-pillar with the MercBenzKing emblem, and of course carbon fiber door handles, including the side steps. And this I've never seen in glossy carbon fiber, so that is very special. And by the way, another visual change are the brakes, because they are newly sprayed with the original color. So we have black sprayed brakes by SCHAWE with the SCHAWE lettering. Just insane to check it out from this perspective. I mean, it looks like a coupe. Just an amazing amount of force that was dropped right here from the top. So it flipped over, went on the back side, that created the coupe form. Crazy, guys. You can of course see the carbon fiber, the running boards, door handles, and of course my logo. We have of course also visitors from Mercedes-Benz Stuttgart that do research for excellence more than 55 years. They call themselves the Unfallforschung by Mercedes-Benz Sicherheit, so safety. They do research and development to get more and more safety out of Mercedes models for the next coming generations. So let's have a quick look inside in the interior. You can first of all open all doors. This is already a long time ago that Mercedes-Benz invented this. In any situation that you can open the doors because of the safety locks. And inside you see all the airbags from the side that went out. And I will tell you the chronological order how this goes. Because the first hit was in the front, then the airbag from the steering wheel blows out, including the kneecap airbags. And then the rollover to the side, and that means that the side airbags come out, including at the seat, the side. And let's have a closer look inside. We will start here at the front.
Can it be now? Can it be now?
So let's go inside. It has the SCHAWE lettering right here. Soft closing doors, of course. And now we are sitting in the back seat of the MercBenzKing Edition GLE. And the first thing that is eye-catching is of course the matte carbon fiber cover of the front seats. This is just amazing looking quality. And yes, the seat in front of me is a little bit far to the back, so I don't have that much space. But of course, luckily we have this comfort button that you can adjust the front seat on this tablet. Amazing. You can also grab the tablet in your hand, and with this you can change the radio station, the music, you can surf on internet, watch YouTube videos, and of course activate the blindings and change the ambient lighting color. So let's put it back. Over here we have some storage space with cables, your USB-C connectivity slots, and just beautiful ambient lighting, as I mentioned, with the Burmester Surround Sound stereo on the top and also on the door side. So this is just a very comfortable vehicle, especially because I chose for the GLE 400D, which means it is a diesel engine with the e-active body control, which you usually have in the GLS Maybach. So it really drives like a Maybach on the road with the curve effect, and also sensors that monitor the road in front of you to correct any bumps. We have special new floor mats from SCHAWE. Even with your shoes on, you feel the depth of the floor mats. Beautiful matte carbon fiber, and if you look into the front side, you notice new ambient lighting color in the air vents. And this is not standard, this is a solution of SCHAWE. It is completely connected with the original ambient lighting, so it also changes colors when you, for example, change the temperature in the vehicle. You can also lift this up, so you have a semi-middle seat, and the center tunnel is not that large. So we have an extra button over here with storage space, which is actually a drawer, and you have your 230 volt charger. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with my own MercBenzKing Edition GLE, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.